Hi viewers, I welcome you all for this lecture video on to retrieve color choice using REST API applications. Before that, I introduce myself. I'm Shankar. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Let's go to the video and see how we are retrieving color choice from the users. Initially, I already informed you in the previous video that whatever the program which we are going to write in the REST controller, we have to include the necessary package. That is the very basic first step. That also already I informed. So you just see these programs and whatever the packages you need, you have to include before writing the program. That is actually very basic first step. So in this program, I have used one class called the API controller. Uh, this is a just very smallest program, just returning the color choice from the user. So I have used here the class called API controller. It is user defined. You can given with any other name also. Here I have used API controller. This class is annotated with at REST control because this API controller class will act as a REST API controller, and it tells the Spring Boot that the class will handle the web request and return the output as in the form of JSON or textual. So this API controller now will act as REST controller class. So that only I have annotated this class with at REST controller. And next, inside this class, I have declared a method called color. It will be in the return type of string. So this method will return the string. Also, I have annotated this class with @getMapping because I have to get some data from the method, so that I have annotated this method with @getMapping. And also I have given the endpoint called favorite color with @getMapping because whenever a user have initiated a HTTP request, in that request, if the user has given favorite color as a endpoint name, automatically this color method will be called and runs inside the server, and it returns something will be inside the color method. And also one more thing, in this color method I have included a method parameter called color. It is in the form of string type. And one more thing, this color method will annotated the annotation called @request param. This @request param is used to extract a value from the URL query parameter of an incoming HTTP request. Once, if you have given the endpoint name called favorite color while you are giving the HTTP request, automatically this color method will be called. So and executed this method. Also here it has the request param as a method parameter annotation. It goes to search in the HTTP request and it has what value is given by the user. That value will be retrieving and assigned to the color method parameter, and then it executes the statements called my favorite color, and the color variable method parameter, whatever the value is assigned to here, then that value is printed here. So in this example, while giving the HTTP request with the endpoint called favorite color, they have given the value called green. So my favorite color is green because here now the color value is green. So final output is my favorite color is green. Suppose if you are giving yellow or red instead green, that value will be printed over here. I thank you all for watching this lecture series. Thank you. Thank you once again.